Welcome to the In Progress Work section. Here we can now find our example over in the Ready to Start section. So let's keep working on our piece. Here we can change the cover image so we can add and change the cover image to different images of our work. So if we have more detailed sketches or practice images we want to have, simply link it up above. Then below, if we have any remaining thumbnail images, finish working on it. Otherwise, let's take it to the studio. Most of the time, what we're doing in the studio is developing and evolving the piece. What we wanted to do is make a space for you to track any big observations, any information you need from one day of work to the other. Simply use this database, create a new page, and either write the day, any notes, any key elements, and then write details. So it could be Monday, face build. So I'm building the face on a portrait. I've noticed I've had issues with the left nostril. Start tomorrow working on that. You can take a photo with your phone, upload it, and stay on top of what you've been doing in different studio sessions. For media like oil painting, it's vital to understand what you were working on and different elements of your practice. This way, by leaving different notes to yourself, you can better juggle your studio practice and manage several pieces of work at once, or longer breaks, so you can get back in the flow. For example, if you've been working hard to get the right color combination, take some photos or notes about how much of each paint you needed, so that way you don't lose it next time you come back to your practice. And keep on working. Now, if we click out of the card, we can move the piece. So here we can drag it to In Progress, and then as we finish up our piece, able to stay on top of our pieces and take all of our finished pieces and see it and sort it for our inventory, different shows, and opportunities.